I have a quick conversation with you about how to make money with a pickup truck. The thing is, when you have a pickup truck, you have a lot of ways to make money, but you got to prioritize. Otherwise, you'll be just, driving around town and really having empty loads and all that kind of stuff. So, into this conversation, I really want to go granular. I really want to go specific here. So, when you have a pickup truck, the very first thing you need to understand is that you got to think about your geography. You got to think about your town, your township, your city, your county, your metropolis, whatever it is, your state too, right? Because certain states, certain geographies are suitable for certain sort of side gigs. But the goal here is to actually have a pickup truck and generate full-time revenue, not just a side gig, but have full-time revenue. So the first thing you want to do is think about mattress and furniture returns. See, the thing is that you can actually make your pickup truck available for mattress and furniture returns. And when you think about mattress and furniture returns, you're thinking about B2B and B2C. So B2B, business to business, B2C, business to consumer. Let's say you have a retail store, a mattress store in your area, and they really have to either ship mattresses and furniture, all kinds of furniture to customers, or customers want to return whatever they bought from the store. They want to return it to the store. So you can really actually make your pickup truck available and really make a lot of cash that way. So you can actually return mattresses, you can return furniture, all kinds of and we're talking about related items, okay? The second way to actually you can actually generate revenue, and again, I'm talking here about generate revenue consistently. You can actually do furniture flipping. Yeah, I mean, listen. Furniture flipping is really a great side hustle, because the whole thing here is that you just have to actually source a piece of furniture worth flipping. It can be on Facebook Marketplace, for instance. You can go on OfferUp, Craigslist, or in local. You can either go to flea markets. So you have a lot of ways to actually do a furniture flipping. But you got the thing is that you can actually make about $150 to $250 or even $500 per flip. So this is kind of cool. Okay. So, boss, welcome back to the show. It's really a fantastic opportunity to have you here. Make yourself comfortable. You are going to enjoy today's conversation. Another way to actually make money with a pickup truck, again, we're talking about making from $500 to $1,000 hauling with a pickup truck every single day. You can actually make your pickup truck a moving service, okay? And when we talk about moving service, you can actually do it yourself, or you can just go through a third-party delivery app and really sort of have a lot of loads that way. And when we talk about moving services, you have Dolly, you have Bellhop, you have Lug, you have a lot of them here. But the top moving services are Dolly, where you can actually make up to $40 to $50 per hour. This is pretty good. I mean, $50 an hour. This is really good. And I mean, on Bellhop, the payments are a little lower. You can expect $25 to $30 an hour. This is still decent anyway. If you live in an area let's say you live in an area where the rent is kind of cheap, and Lug also is kind of cool. Lug, you can actually try to make at least $2,000 to $2,500 per week. If you own your own truck, you could actually make a lot of cash. Okay, so we're talking here about opportunities in terms of moving services. So another way you can actually make money with your pickup truck. And again, we're talking about all the way to $1,000 a week is basically deliver items. And when we talk about deliver items, we're talking about all kinds of items, okay? It can be anything. It could be anything. I mean, people want to move out. People want to move in. And people buy stuff from stores, local stores, what have you. You are going to make a lot of cash sort of delivering the items to and fro. This is kind of cool. So there are a lot of apps on the market right now that can really help you out. And we're talking about Citizen Shipper, for instance. You have UShip. You have Roadie. I mean, Roadie is kind of cool because Roadie is owned by UPS. So we're talking about a very legit app here. And you have Bungie also. Bungie is kind of cool. Bungie, you can make actually up to $45 an hour delivering items. Again, we're talking about all kinds of items. So if you have a pickup truck, you have an opportunity to actually rake it in real fast. Okay. Now on Citizen Shipper, for instance, people actually have been earning anywhere from $6,000 to $10,000 a month. Okay, $6,000. This is kind of cool. I mean, if you're talking about a side hustle that allows you to earn $10,000 a month, this is somebody's full-time salary. So you can deliver items. You can set yourself up as a moving service. Fantastic. Boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We are having a conversation about how to make money hauling with the pickup truck. Okay, we're talking about maximum $1,000 per week. Another way to actually make some cash here is to go through is to actually have a snow plowing service. Okay, and so snow removal is kind of cool, especially in the winter, right? So we're talking about anywhere from October, November, all the way through March. And the cool thing is, if you are in an area in the country where you have a longer winters, like let's say from October to May, for instance, then you have an opportunity to make a lot of cash. So snow plowing is really good, and the cool thing is that you can actually make money like seasonally, but you can make a lot of cash. We're talking about all the way to $100 per job, and you can have when you have a lot of snow, you can really bet that you will have a lot of work to do. Okay. The only thing is that there are a few truck modifications to consider here. You need to have winter tires, auxiliary headlights, and of course, a consumer snowplow that works with your truck. Okay, those are things you need to really think about. And another way to actually you can actually make money also is that if you are trying to monetize your pickup truck, is to rent it out. You can just rent it out. I mean, why should you just be driving all year long? I mean, when you rent out your truck, you are generating money even when you're sleeping. So basically, in your sleep, you can still make money. So and based on our research, you can make somewhere from $19,000 to $30,000 to $35,000 a year renting out your truck. Okay, so we're talking here about companies like you can actually go to a company such as Fetch. You can go to a company such as Turo. So Turo is another great company that really gives you all the flexibility in terms of renting out your pickup truck. You can try also Get Around. Get Around is kind of cool. It is Get Around is really more for all kinds of cars, not just pickup trucks. But it's a great place to actually rent out your pickup truck. So we're talking about a car sharing marketplace. You can also try another one called GoShare. I mean, GoShare is one of the most popular car sharing marketplaces on the market right now. So this is kind of cool. So again, rent out your truck, Fetch, Turo, Get Around, and GoShare. Another way you can actually make money here is to actually advertise on a truck. Now, some people are pretty sensitive about that. They don't want to have that. But listen, if you're trying to really make money, you should really think about advertising on your truck too. It is a great way to actually generate revenue passively. Okay, so you are actually making money even in your sleep. The thing is that those companies that really place ads on pickup trucks, they pay you per month, and you can actually make somewhere from $100 all the way to $1,000. So this is kind of cool. And the cool thing here is that again, you have an opportunity to also advertise your pickup truck service, because you'll be driving around town, right? And you'll be actually you'll be actually displaying the ads. People will know you. People will know the product also that you are advertising. But long story short, it is a win-win situation for you. Okay. And another way to actually make money with your pickup truck here is to actually consider scrap metal recycling. Have you thought about that? I mean, the thing is that a lot of haulers, a lot of delivery drivers who have a pickup truck, they think that they can only make money actually hauling loads from A to Z or from A to B now, but you have a lot of opportunities when it comes to scrap metal recycling, because people are making a lot of cash in this industry. But the only thing is, it is time consuming. So if you are let's say if you are into anything mechanic, if you love automobile repair, if you are into construction, or if you have some kind of interest with those industries, you will love doing scrap metal recycling. And the cool thing here is that you really have a lot of opportunity to make money all year long. See, the thing is, if you think about snow plowing, you really have you're kind of stuck with seasonality, right? It has to be the winter. If we don't have snow, you can't make money. But scrap metal recycling is available all year long. Okay, and with a truck that can shift scrap metal in large amounts, you could be on the track to some eye-catching side profits. We're talking about, somewhere from $500 to $1,500 per week. So this is kind of cool. You can really, but the thing is that, again, as I said earlier, this requires a lot of work. And so if you were to compare and contrast scrap metal recycling to, let's say, the one that I spoke to you about earlier, like when I spoke about advertising on your truck, advertising on your truck is the most passive form of generating income from your pickup truck, right? So if you were to compare and contrast that to scrap metal recycling, you will see that scrap metal recycling is more active. But that's why I was just telling you that you need to love it. If you love it, that no problem. Then there's no problem. But if you don't like it, then if you're just trying to do it for money, you'll be really discouraged because it is a long-term game. You got to be, first of all, you got to love automobile repair. You got to love construction, all those sort of industries before you can find out what kind of scrap metal is available right now. Boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We are having a conversation about how to make $500 to $1,000 hauling with a pickup truck. Another way to actually make money here is to actually delve into retail pickups and drop-offs. See, the whole thing here is that, in your area right now, you probably listen to me, and if you live in a big city or you live in a rural area, people always have needs when it comes to pickups and drop-offs, right? And especially when we talk about retail pickups and drop-offs, this is really, really important because you have grocery stores or retail stores locally that actually want to ship stuff to their customers, or customers need to return stuff to the store, and they need to have a delivery service. And UPS, FedEx, DHL, and USPS, they can't do it. I mean, don't even get me started with last mile or middle mile. So because those big companies, they're just like, you know what, we're not doing last mile deliveries. We're not doing the middle mile deliveries. It's too costly for us. Okay, the economics are not really interesting for us. So this is where you have an opportunity for someone like you with a pickup truck to actually fill the void. Okay, fill the economic void and make money in the process. So retail pickups and drop-offs. Another way to actually make cash is we're talking about providing a junk hauling service. Okay, and you have a lot of companies that are paying up to $200 per load or more, and you can actually expect somewhere from between $55 and $200 per trip, and up to $2,000 per week. So when you really think about it, $2,000 per week, that's like, you're talking about 6 digits a year just hauling junk. Okay, so but the thing is, it's one of those things where you have to know folks in the industry. Okay, like if you take a junk hauling service like 100 Got Junk, this is actually a great way to raise money with a truck because people will pay you to help clear out their space. Okay, and this is a year-long need. Another way to make money with a pickup truck is you can actually provide a towing service. And again, we're not really talking about towing broken down vehicles. Okay, you want to leave that to the rollback tow trucks with winches and hooks. We're talking about using your truck to earn money by towing RVs, boats, and cars. Okay, and the cool thing is that you have to understand this is what I was just talking to you about earlier when I said you need to really think about niche markets, niche industries, niche sectors. Okay, and there is money to be made here as a side hustle because people do need to move RVs, boats, and similar vehicles, especially when they kick the bucket and need dragging to the scrapyard. So it's one of those things where you really have to think about, and you can actually make a lot of cash. Now, just make sure that you have the right equipment. And the cool thing is, if you have a pickup truck, chances are you are good to go because most modern pickup trucks actually can actually tow up to 13,000 pounds. Okay, so think about it. If you can tow that much, you could be a good candidate to actually do this work. You can also start a trucking company. The cool thing is that you can actually start a trucking company where you actually deliver stuff to people. Again, we're not talking about you can actually deliver. You can do all kinds of deliveries. You can even try hazmat and reefers, for example. You can do a refrigerator the deliveries. You can also do a hazmat, so anything that is hazardous. You can do a lot of things. Okay, and you can also do some pallet, you can do pallet flipping. This is kind of similar to what I was just telling you earlier when I was talking to you about doing some scrap metal recycling, and you can actually do a pallet flipping. And this is kind of cool because you are able to actually flip pallets they really revolve around return products from Amazon, Target, Walmart, and other stores, and actually resell those flippers, to actually to other people. Now, the bottom line here is that pallet flipping really requires a little bit of work. You got to have contacts in the industry, because see, when Amazon is returning pallets, if you don't know the when and how to actually take advantage of those returns, you're not going to be making money. So pallet flipping is kind of cool, but you have to know a little bit of people, a little bit of folks in the industry. Another way to actually make money is to instead of flip the pallets, right? You can actually resell them. And the thing is that it's all about business opportunity, because see, if you bought the pallets and you were thinking about, let's say, I'm just gonna flip them, and you realize that it just will make more sense to hold on the pallets a little bit, and really just make advantage of them. This is pretty good. I mean, you have folks who are making $1,000 a day as a pallet reseller. But the thing is that it takes time, because you need to identify a niche that really is monetizable. And you also need to understand that you are going to establish credibility in the industry after a while, because clients will start believing you, they'll start trusting you, and they'll start actually wanting to work with you. And another way to actually make cash hauling with a pickup truck is really flip appliances and other large items. And when we talk about large items, we're speaking about industrial equipment, speaking about vending machines, lawn equipment and tools. You have cooktops, and you have washers and dryers. You have a lot of folks throughout the nation who really need those types of services, because they do not want to carry those things in their own cars, or maybe it's just too heavy or what have you. So if you have a system in place, if you have a company that can really solve that problem, that can really help those individuals be comfortable with whatever retirement they're having, then you will be really, really happy. And one thing I want to say here is that it's one of those things where you have to ask yourself, is this what I want to do? Because see, if you want to flip appliances and other large items, you have to have not only the equipment, but you have to have the willingness to do that kind of job, right? You got to have the motivation, because it's not really that easy. But hey, listen, it is worth it. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate it. In today's conversation, I was just talking to you about how to make money hauling with a pickup truck, and I give you a few ideas so you can actually make money. So we have mattress and furniture returns, furniture flipping, moving service. You can deliver items. You can do snow plowing. You can rent out your truck. You can advertise in your truck. You can do scrap metal recycling, retail pickups and drop-offs. You can actually provide a junk hauling service. You can provide a towing service. You can actually start a trucking company. You can do pallet, let's say flipping. You can resell the pallets themselves. You can actually flip appliances and other large items. Thank you so much for your attention. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.